Today in this video, we'll be looking at some of the concepts of URL like origin, hostname, domain, etc. And we'll clear the confusion regarding all these concepts like origin, domain, protocol, etc. Alright, so let's begin. I'm in this Google Chrome browser and I'd like to open up the console tab, Ctrl+Shift+J if you are in Windows. And inside this console, without any further ado, I'd like to use this new URL constructor given by the JavaScript. And inside of this, I'm going to be using the link of URL. Like for example, I have this HTTPS and localhost 8000, A as a path, and I also have query parameter or search parameter. For example, name equals A. Alright, like this. If I have a link like this, and if I want to differentiate what are the protocol, what are the host name, what are the host, what are the search parameters, etc. So this URL constructor will provide me a URL object, and inside of this, everything will be differentiated very clearly. Alright, so if you see here, host is localhost is to 8000, and remember, domain and host are same. Alright, because domain is something which we actually deal in software engineering very often. Right, origin again is very important while dealing in software engineering. Right, so don't confuse yourself with domain host because they are same, and host name is different. See, host will include port number while hostname does not include port number. And if you see here, origin is actually a combination of protocol, right, and domain or host, right? And that's it. Origin is basically combination of protocol and domain or host. Or you can also say origin is a combination of protocol, host name, and port number. And that's it. And if you see here, I've also used path, right? After this, domain will have path, right? If you see here, path name is this, right? And if you see search parameters or query parameters is this one, right? After path, or you can also say after this query character, question mark character, right? You can also see the size. I've used one query parameter, that's why it is giving me a size of 1. If I increase it, it equals 3. And if you see here now, it should give me a size of 2. And that's it. That is the basic concepts of URL. Now if you can differentiate different concepts used in URL, now you're ready to deal confidently with URL in your project. And that's it. That's it for this video. I'll be coming back soon with so many tutorials related to Next.js, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, and so many other things about front-end development. And that's it. Have a great day.